Hi, this is Lisa from Mommy Kid Power, and here is the snow. It's finally come, November 16th, and our first snowfall is actually Snowman Snow. So if you have never seen snow and you don't have snow in your area, well, if it's Snowman Snow, it sticks together. And like right now, I'm just kind of rolling it together. And once you've rolled it together, if I put my two hands together, whoops, now it's coming all apart because it's really, really sticky, I guess. And what we do is we kind of roll it. You can roll it, and it is going to become bigger and bigger because as you roll the ball of snow, it's going to stick to everything else, like all the other snow. So then it will become bigger and bigger and bigger, and that's how we make a snowman. So technically you're gonna roll that around, and you would make it rounded off, take both hands, and you would, if I put it both in both hands, but right now I'm holding this camera with the other one, so it rolls together. I'll just show you a little example. That would be like, let's say, the circle of your snowman. So you're going to take another one, and then you technically will make it round, see a little circle, and then you're going to roll it. So as you're rolling, it becomes bigger. So we're just going to make a miniature snowman right now. So this one here is a little smaller than the other one I have there. So I'll round it off, and then technically you would put it on top of this one. So you'd have one circle, two circles, which this isn't a great circle right now. Okay, I would need my both hands to be rolling it and making it round like a circle. Then you take another one, and you just kind of, like I said, circle it, and then roll it. It has to be sticky snow. We call that down here is Snowman Snow. See? And then it makes a little round one. You're gonna roll it. You're gonna kind of bring it together to make sure that it's kind of like a circle. And then you stick it on the top. And technically, there is your snowman. It's a miniature snowman, but that's what it is. 3 round circles, and then you can add your eyes, put a hat on there if you want, some arms, and there's your snowman. So if you don't have any snow in your area, and you've never maybe seen any, this is what it is. It's beautiful snow. Sometimes it's fluffy, and sometimes it sticks together, and we call it Snowman Snow. We love it. First snow of the year, and it's Snowman Snow. You have to love it. Okay, have a wonderful day.